Guys, 2 cups flour and salt and butter, 125 grams butter. Isang init. Let's not use the crumb. Ayan. Sobrang crumble. Saka natin ilagyan ng water. Kasi tingnan mo. Diba? Then, cold water. Then, mikas natin ulit. Ito na guys, yung ating breakfast. Hindi pa. Balutin natin yung simpleng wrap.